guys, my name is Larry and welcome back to my channel. So if this is the first time you are watching my video, welcome to my channel, and if you have been seeing my video recently, you will know I have been trading profit account for a while now, and I'm documenting my journey. So first things first, let's get into the chart, and I'm going to show you right behind the chart. So I'm going to show you the trades I took this week and how it played out. So first of all, I'm going to show you these are the 3 trades I took on gold this week, and which is last week rather. This is Sunday already, so it's a new week. So and the one I had 4 trades in total. So these are the trades. That's 4. So first of all, I'm going to break down how I took this trade on UJ. So as you can see, guys, price, we've been having a bearish move for a while. Look at this long candle here, and after that we've been having sweeps. You can see these wicks here, there are sweeps from liquidity that are beneath the sweep here, because we have a lot of liquidity here, like buyers side liquidity. And what happened was that after we had this change of character to the upside on the 1 hour time frame, I waited for price to give us a retest, because this 1 hour order block changed the scenario of the market where we are heading to. So I saw this change of character and I had to place an order here so that we can buy to the upside, just like this. Hold on, guys. Just like this. A retest and a push up to the upside. That was my anticipation. But also, I realized I made a mistake on this trade, guys. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame. After we had this push up to the upside, as you can see on the 15-minute time frame, we had this change of character which confirmed okay, buyers are in the market. So the mistake here I made was I did not wait for a liquidity sweep. I did not wait for a liquidity sweep on the 1 hour time frame, which was the actual cause of this trade. And if I had waited, this would have invalidated my setup and I would have looked for a short position rather. Yes. So that was how I lost this trade. I didn't wait for a liquidity sweep on the higher time frame before going to the lower time frame to take the trade. So that's it. So, and guys, I also took some trades on gold. It's been a tough time for me trading recently, because it looks like my strategy is not working, despite the fact that okay, I keep following my rules, and there are times I also break my rules. So I'm not going to try to blame anybody or anything. I took the responsibilities of all my actions. So yeah, so this trade on gold that I took, here is what happened, guys. I spotted this zone here. After price reacted to this zone, you can see we had a change of character here on the higher time frame. Price has been giving us breaks of structures to the upside, and now we have imbalance sitting above this level here. We have supply sitting here, which was my target. So my anticipation was okay, we are having breaks of structures to the upside, and this was my anticipation. So as you can see, guys, price did not play out that way first. So what happened was price went down, took out the liquidity sitting here. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame first, guys. Let me explain things better. Oh, so what's going on? So hold on, guys. So here, so yeah, guys. As you can see, this is a trade here. This is a trade. This is what I took as my conference. Okay, yeah, we have a break of structure, a push up to the house, change of price to the upside. There is no liquidity sitting below. There's no imbalance sitting below this place here, and we have an extreme zone here, and also an inducement. An inducement is also seen as a liquidity pool for price to push up to the upside. So here is what happened. This inducement was the one I marked as my liquidity then, but I gave price room for breathing space just in case the market wants to do whatever it wants to do before moving. So price broke the inducement and also broke the zone before going to the upside. It basically swept all the low before pushing to the upside, which is this higher time frame low. This higher time frame low here. This candle before the big push up. This was the zone that price swept before pushing up. Swept the zone, swept this low, last low, because there was liquidity sitting here. As you can see, price swept this low, then entire making progress to the upside, which is my exact direction, and this is exactly what happened. So nevertheless, I moved on to the next trade, and it was actually a good trade. But like I said, it was a good. I actually made profit from it, but I ended up taking my profit early. So let's go to the 5 minute, 15 minutes first, guys. As you can see here, we had this low with this zone here, this demand zone, which was the extreme zone. We had inducement sitting around this level. We have inducement, we have this zone. Now we have another demand zone sitting at this level here. You can see. So what I waited for, okay, I know price will always use the extreme zone. So what I did was waited, place my sell limit at this zone. With this, so I price swept the liquidity above this level. So there is no need for price coming down here must take out this. Although we had a sweep of this low here, but this was the exact place I placed my sell limit, my buy limit rather, because I knew that price was going to take out this equal low here. So then we had a push up, and this sharp drop down in the market was where I closed my trade because I was anticipating the price was going to take out this low, and I've been in a loss for a while. So I just had to close manually, which was the mistake I made. And as you can see, price started making progress. Due to that, I had impatience on my trade, and was the reason why I took this other trade on Friday, because of we're having a market closer Friday. So what happened here was price created this demand, created another demand here, but I was impatient for price to come to this level before me buying. Then I had to buy here, which was not the extreme zone, and you can see I had to pay for it. You see what happened here that I was playing out nicely before I closed the trade was the same thing that happened here, but due to the fact of impatience, I had to close my trade manually, and price reacted to the extreme and started making progress to the upside, as you can see. So that's that, and that's the mistake I learned from it. So I've been able to spot some things I need to adjust or refine my strategy on what to do and what not to do in the market. So That's that. So we'll be entering. The market is going to be opening today, and I'm going to be posting my next video on the trades I took for this week. So stay tuned, guys. And this time around, I promise you guys, it will be a good news for us. So if you find this video interesting or you find it helpful in any way at all, you can just subscribe to my channel. It takes nothing. So I really I'm going to appreciate it so much, guys. So just help me subscribe, like my videos, and we are all going to meet at the top.